I thought I knew everything about this place. I hear the voices of the city. Every drop of water, every laugh, every footstep. I feel like I'm one of the locals, doing the things they do, but from a different perspective. Some things don't have an expiration date. History is filled with the voices of people who've made a difference in the world.
What do you wish you could say to her?
You want to come on a date?
We try to mirror not just who they are, but their potential to share real connection. Do you hear the sound of Ipoh?